this video is going to be about my unboxing of Better Lengths clip-ins, and I also bought a ponytail. So my hair is cray-cray today, so it's just wrapped up under here. But I really could not wait for this. Like, let's talk about it. It freaking took almost 3 weeks. It is December 19th, and I ordered this on the 2nd. Okay, maybe I'm making it dramatic, but 2 weeks and a couple days. They do say in their description that it will take up to 7 to 13 or something like that business days for you to get your hair. But what confused me was I paid for 2 days shipping. So I'm thinking, okay, F that, I'm gonna get my hair fast, quick, and in a hurry. But no. The reason why it takes 7 to 13 business days is they have to customize it first. And then your 2 days shipping is what gets you your hair here faster. So let's just start. It's my FedEx bag. Good old FedEx. Okay. That was a lot. This Merry Christmas, Be Breezy. It's like, it doesn't say Be Breezy. But Merry Christmas. That's cute. Okay. They trying to fight me again with these layers. Okay, nice pink bag. They really trying to make sure your stuff is secure here. Okay, let's go again. Okay. But yeah. Cute packaging, Better Length packaging, cute. Okay, this is so cute. Sorry, I'm excited, y'all, because I've been waiting way too long for this hair. So they give you threading and some more clip-ins. So that's what that is. You have a little cute note here. Your natural hair sis need help. Dang, how you know? Shoot. I'm not gonna read that. That's their Instagram though. It's at Better Length. So they give you step-to-step hair care and maintenance for the extensions. And last but not least, this is probably not even important. Yeah, not important for y'all, but it basically tells me what I bought. Okay. So let's start with that.
Oh, yes.
Is there netting on this? No. No? Oh. That's just how defined the hair is. Okay. And I ordered a 14-inch. This will be perfect. Put it on this side so y'all can see. I'm looking in my mirror because like I'm really trying to see what it looks like. But yeah. Dang, I don't even know where that, oh, thought it flew off. Ah! Okay, let me smell this. Because some people be having weird hair smells. No, this is actually pretty not stinky, I guess. So now I just want to show y'all one. See, I can get an idea. Okay, clip-in set. And clip one in. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, girl, yes. That was actually pretty easy. So I'll imagine clipping these all in will be pretty easy. They're 175 in density. Okay, this is 3C4A hair. And the color is definitely similar to 1B. So those are pretty cool. I don't know how I'm supposed to tell the lengths. I guess I'll just lay them out. They should have put it in my opinion, bags with labels. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. I just can't wait to just do a whole bunch of hairstyles. This is the ponytail. And the ponytail is coming with the same stuff. Now my ponytail is 12 inches long. Okay. My little short ponytail. Okay, so what I did there, I just pushed down the little mechanism. I don't know what to call that, button or what. And then loosened it. So I'm gonna fake put it on this little ball I have right here. I'm hilarious, y'all. Okay, I'm about to draw it up. This looks so silly. Okay. I mean, it's on there. Sheesh. I want to see how it look if I do my low ponytail. Oh yeah, that'll be cute. That hangs. My whole thing about getting these short lengths, because I see most people that get the better lengths, they're getting really, really long lengths. But I wanted it to be short enough where obviously it'll look realistic, because everybody that knows me knows my hair isn't down to my freaking boobs. For this video, I just wanted to be able to, got hair on me. I just wanted to be able to unbox it and give you all my first impressions on the hair. I do have a style in mind that I'm ready to do like ASAP. So just stay tuned for that video. My hair, as y'all seen in the other video, is not all 1B like this hair too, you know? So your girl is gonna have to dye it, and that will be my first time dyeing any of my weave. Like, if I mess my expensive ass hair up, I'm gonna be mad. But that's gonna happen because these are clip-ins, so that obviously means my real hair is gonna be out. So there'll be a video where I dye this hair. The hair seems to be great. It doesn't smell weird. Thick, nice in texture. The curl is very, very cute. I'm very happy with what I purchased. And yeah, just stay tuned for some more styles. And that is it for today's unboxing. Hold on. Let's get it. Better length. Y'all gotta go purchase. Y'all better go purchase. More thumbnails. Don't hate me. See you all in my next video. Bye.